Hey, it's Michael de la Cruz, and if you're looking for an affiliate program that actually works, then join me in this video as I dive into an affiliate program that claims to actually work and that I have tested myself. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned. So today I want to talk about an affiliate program that's been making waves in the online marketing. And basically this program is actually the program that I've been testing recently, and I've seen some good results with it. So I'm going to share this with you because if you're looking for a program or an affiliate program that actually works, this one right here is actually one of on my top list because I tested it, and it's actually proven to work. Now, with thousands of success stories and a reputation for being one of the most reliable programs out there, I'm excited to dive in and see what all the fuss is about with this program. Okay, so this program, with its reputation and its track record of helping people generate consistent online income, has been one of the talks of the online world. And let me go ahead and dive into it. So before I share that with you though, a lot of people are very skeptical about affiliate marketing for the following reasons. Either they've been burnt out in the past, which, we all gone through that, right? I've gone through that myself. They invested time and money into a program that promises the world only to find out that it's nothing but a scam, right? Or they struggle to make sales despite following the training and support provided. I don't know if you can relate to any of this stuff, but this is one of the main reasons why people are skeptical nowadays about affiliate marketing. They also might think that affiliate marketing is just too competitive, or that is only for tech-savvy individuals who know how to build fancy websites and run complex ads. To tell the truth, this is not the truth actually. Affiliate marketing can actually be super lucrative for individuals at all stages. All you have to do is pretty much have the right attitude about it, right? Another common challenge people face is information overload. With so many programs and trainings out there, courses and all that, it's hard to know where to start or which one to trust. People might feel like they're drowning, pretty much in a sea of conflicted advice of information or misinformation, and just they don't know how to separate the wheat from the chaff, and really they really don't know who to trust, right? Some people might also think that affiliate marketing is a get rich, quick scheme where you can make thousands of dollars overnight with little to no effort. That's pretty much not the truth. So this is why people might be a skeptic about affiliate marketing. The truth is, affiliate marketing takes time. So I'm going to be completely blunt with you and honest with you here. Affiliate marketing takes time, patience, and persistence. My track record here doing online marketing, I can tell you that it actually is going to take some time for you to get results, for you to get those big results. With this program, I've seen people making their first sale within 2 weeks, so they have gone results. But if you're looking for those big that big breakthrough, if you're just starting out, it's just going to take time. So this is not a magic pill that's going to solve all your financial problems overnight, okay? But rather a legitimate business model that requires dedication and hard work. So I wanted just to put that out there before I continue. So despite all the challenges, affiliate marketing though remains one of the most effective ways to create income online. And the program that I'm going to share with you today, that I'm sharing with you today, is actually called HBA. So if you're looking for an affiliate program that actually works, HBA is going to be that program, which I'm going to share with you a bit success stories that people are having with this program. So HBA is one of the programs that's leading the charge right now. So how does it work? At its core, I'm going to tell you that HBA is a software and training program that teaches people how to build a profitable online business from scratch. So it's not just a series of videos or PDF files or anything like that. It's a comprehensive system that includes coaching. It has live training. So, it has a lot of things there. It has a community of like-minded individuals who are all working towards the same goal. So that's what I love about this program. One of the things that sets HBA apart is its focus on simplicity and clarity. The training is designed to be easy to follow. Even if you have no prior experience with affiliate marketing or online business, you don't need to be a tech expert or marketing guru to succeed with this program. And I'm going to share with you very quick. So this right here is actually HBA's plan right here. So they have a 3-step plan to work with you. They work with you to get your business profitable quickly, meaning that their goal is to get your business in positive cash flow as fast as possible. This is why they made it so just 2 sales can put you in positive profit, making it so you're earning more in residual income than you're investing in the business. All right. Another thing is that they also help you achieve your freedom residual income goal ASAP. So they help you build a residual income that disconnects your time from your money. That's actually the goal. With their business model, it's possible to build a 6-figure, so 100K per year recurring income stream with as few as just 1 or 2 sales per week. All right, the step 3, they help you get unlimited income for life, skills. So you're gonna learn the necessary skills that's gonna help you create this type of income that you wanted to create online. And so you can do the things that you love. So I love this program because they're very dedicated in helping people, and you're not gonna be left alone. Everything is gonna be simple for you, and you're gonna have those live sessions which are gonna help you get, make sure that you're on track to getting, to achieving whatever your financial goals are. Okay, so this affiliate marketing program actually works. I can show you here some of the testimonials that people have gotten. So they have this person right here. This is a result that he has gotten. So everyone just got started. He just got started a few days ago and got his first sale. So you see, there's people getting results here. They're the very same day they start, or maybe a week or 2 later. Everybody's different. Everybody's different. It's just what's gonna separate you from everybody else is how fast you can learn the steps and how consistent you are. Okay, so again, as I said, attitude is everything. My mindset is everything too. So this program actually helps you with that, with how to put the mindset of a person that wants to create success, so you can attract your success goals faster. All right, I've seen people being excited here that they made their sales. So this is program right here, HBA. I highly recommend it. Let me share with you some of I'm logged in here, and as you can see, they have different programs or different products. The first product is a software program that allows you to build funnels from scratch. I also have a video on in the description that you can watch how you can build funnels, effective funnels that actually helps you generate leads and turn those leads into raving fans. I have a video on that, so I'm going to put that in the description as well. They also have this program or this training here called HBA Premium, which they teach you how to generate traffic and how to convert that traffic into sales. Traffic is simply eyeballs, people on the internet looking for solutions. So you're gonna learn how to effectively have people find the products or find your offer on the internet, right? So you're gonna be an effective internet marketer, and it simply is gonna help you get results. They also have another course called Financial Literacy Academy, which basically helps you be more financially literal or financially educated. That way every decision you make is actually an educated decision, and then you know how to pretty much increase your finances, or how to protect your finances. So I believe that this is very important, because when you're making a lot of money, you want to make sure that you know how to keep your wealth, how to protect your wealth. So there you have it. So the first thing you do, you basically once you log in here, you go to the affiliate zone, right? And in the affiliate zone, I'm gonna log in again. You're going to apply, right, to become an affiliate. So right here is the sign up for affiliate program here. Once you sign up for that, if you haven't already, then you're going to be provided with with this link here, and then you're going to get an email saying that you have been approved to the affiliate program. So you got to just log in. This is the affiliate area where you're going to see all your links that you're going to be promoting, and where you can track your commissions as well. So pretty cool stuff. They also have some trainings on here that you can follow, easy steps to start getting to generate sales, right? To get you in positive profit. You can just follow that, and basically again, I give this program 150% approval because of how how hand-holding they are with teaching people how to really create a profitable online business. All right, so this is what I love about this program. And basically, if you would like to get started with this program, I left the link in the first in that first description. Another thing I want to point out is they pay you 80% commissions. They also have a disclaimer here that says the average affiliates can expect to earn $328 with that business. You can also check out their full earning disclosure on there. All right, so to earn much higher than that, work, skill, and commitment, are required. All right, so but you're gonna learn those skills through the program. That's what the beauty of this program is. Okay, so that's pretty much what sets this program apart from a lot of them, is basically their focus on simplicity and clarity. The training is pretty much designed for beginners, right? So even if you have no prior experience with affiliate marketing, you're gonna learn, the necessary skills to create an effective income on the internet. Another unique feature of HBA is this proprietary software, which, as I mentioned, it helps you build amazing pages in minutes, and it helps you to generate leads and turn those leads into raving fans. All right, so that software is incredibly powerful and is one of the reasons why HBA has such a high success rate. That's a needed, and every affiliate marketing needs a software like that to actually generate leads, right? Generate leads and build that audience. Personally, I was blown away by the results I saw with HBA, with this program. That gave me proof of concept that I needed to see to pretty much put this program as one of my top programs to share with people, so people can also get results. So I just gotta say though, it wasn't easy, of course. I had to put in the work and follow the training to the letter, but the results were well worth it. So just think about that. What I love about HBA is that it's not just about making money, it's about building a real business that can provide financial freedom and security. Okay, it's about creating a lifestyle that allows you to pursue your passions and live life on your terms. Right? Isn't that what we all want? So with that being said, in conclusion, HBA is an affiliate program that actually works. It's not a magic pill or a get rich quick scheme, of course, but a legitimate business model that requires effort and dedication. But if you're willing to put in the work, trust me, the results can be life-changing. Hey, thanks for watching, and I hope you got value from this video. I would like to hear your experience with affiliate marketing in the comments below. And if you have any questions or you need further guidance, don't hesitate to reach out. Also, if you're new here, consider subscribing. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.